Right, another quick video. This is just a little kit that I've put together. It's what I call a this and that kit. Now, I've got this foam board, but it's the plastic coated. Foam in the middle, plastic coated. And we've cut a piece. You've got that. Plus you will get one each of this beautiful paper. I'm just going to show it in a minute. I'm just trying to get it all together because I have to separate these kits. Let's see, what's that one? Hang on. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, they are double-sided. So you've got that as well. So you're going to get 4 sheets of paper that are big enough to put this on and leave enough to make tags or whatever you want to do. My computer's going, oh silly, right. And then in the kit you're also going to get this lot. So it's like I say, it's a this and that kit, and they're all identical. Okay, so what I've put in, I'm just going to get them all out because we've put more than that in. Some spare, I just wanted to use them up. There's, I think it's 2 or 3 meters of eyelet trim. So you're getting that. Let me have a look at this. You're getting some of this beautiful pink and white lace. This pink and white lace. Gorgeous it is. Enough to make flowers. This white lace. This brown. This golden cream. This white lace. That's gorgeous, chunky. Love it. It's really pretty. This green lace. The wedding lace. There's a yard of that, sorry. We've just put a little bit of this beaded trim, because if you're doing a tag, which is all it is, you're only going to, or a flower, you only need a little bit of that. So if there was a strip left, and I just thought, well, I can't put it up for sale, there wasn't enough, but if I add it to a kit, it'll be fine. You know, a little bit can go a long way. Some of those. A headband as well, just a spare. They were spare, and I thought, use them up, use them up. The word dad, everybody's got the same dad. You might not need to, might not use it, you might just use the word D. You've got some of the single strand beads, flat back pearls in like a metallic blue, pink, diamanty things. You've got all kinds of things in that bag. Put some little flowers in for you. And then I've put this, so I'm just going to show this. You've got that one. Let's move those there. That one. So it's a this and that kit. That one. That one. And then that one. So if you're interested in that, it's on the shop, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye bye for now.